mentang ini apa je ini beda-beda kan mathematics paper 2 mo tang ne ka ban rup huai ke dei option A ke dei exam tengam kam su ban pule kini ki question marwa mo ka importe to ini apa bitang dari ki beda-beda jubab mo tang rup R mo kam dari kene nomor B dari kene nomor C mo ambitious and coherent ta kene nomor rup hulai mo kali kene jubab nomor A kebong makes connection between a mathematical concept and real life. Tekan yang repusau na kadika exploratory approach mo kam dari kadika lecture approach. Tekan yang repusan kadika nika inductive. Kadika inductive. Tekan yang repun repat kadika nika option number C mo normalnya kawan so kadika bong approach a situation ang takawan sa kadika choosing gika topik mo dan takawan sa kadika number 2 kontak ini planning of the projects ruta terter mo Tikasakan ikan rupunyo hang na kadika option number C mo it focuses on diagnosing the strength and weakness of the children. Kan rupo prak on community mathematics helps in improving students' engagement in mathematics learning. Community mathematics does not include sang option number D mo remedial teachings. Tekan yang what number should be subtracted from the products 11,009 into 505 so as to get negative number C mo 54,995. Tegi sakanika number new pow. Kini nomor new pow hang ketika option C mo. Hang neka 21 how many prime number are there between 100 and 120 ni juga deh. And 5 mo kam dari 6 kam dari ini number murka tangan ni ka. Ini ka the sum of the exponent of the prime factor in the prime factorization is of 1 to 2 is technically jumpa ketiga sum of the exponent of prime factorization of 1 to 2 dan tu kat 8 cek cuanga ini kan 72 mo ketika ni option 3 mo option B dah kan ka 73 pada ketika ni ka A 40 ketika ni ka 74 ketika ni ka B ketika ni ka 75 ketika ni ka option B mo 45 ketika 76 ketika ni ka C to yakin ki ketika 27 ketika ni 320 ketika nomor 78 mo ketika ni option A ketika 10,000 ketika option A 10,000 yang ni ketika question option 79 ketika ketika D ketika 80 mo the side of triangle san ketika ketika ni number B ketika 82 ini di option C mo pilih option C itu bisa natural mo ini ketika in the figure kena di 225 mo option B dan ini kebat kedai 30 ni no 60 kedai 30 dan ini which of the following statement is true ni mungkin ketika ni number B mo ketika number B a circle has infinite number of line of symmetry dan ini ka the letter that has both line and rotational symmetry is H mo kedai option A dan ini kedai option C 82 part kedai option B dan ini 89 kedai dari mana ini nomor D ini kan nomor C Tang ne ka option 90 ketika option C. Tengin apa kita juga science mo. And on which of the following statement is not true with respect to nature of science? Option D. And on which of the following is a characteristics of a person with a scientific attitude? Being open-minded and curious. Technical the purpose of a hypothesis in the scientific method is to provide alternative explanations for a phenomenon. 94 the primary aim of science education and emphasized in the NCF 2005 is technically to develop scientific knowledge, skills, altitude, and values. Which of the following type of assessments measure student learning at the end of the lesson? Formative. In the teaching learning process, the primary goal of remote teaching is to provide additional support to students who need it. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, assessment derived learnings. So no feedback is required to give informative assessment. Option A day statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Option percentage day NCF 2005 kan hidi timo inquiry based approach. Tekan 99 today to develop scientific skills. Tani use of hierarchical structure to show relationship between concept. Tani R vegetable picture card. Vegetable picture card. Which of the following is a sample of measuring instrument using a thermometer? Which of the following is the primary criterion for selecting a topic for essay exhibition? Relevance of relevant to the curriculum and learning objective. Then who formed the three laws of motion? Newton. Then the motions of swing pendulum of a wall clock is oscillatory and periodic in nature. Then what happens to the molecules of a substance when it is heated? See, molecules move faster and spread apart. Ketika option new ketika option B 107.6 Fahrenheit. In the filament type bulb, a lot of electricity is wasted in the form of heat. Food more compared to light. And which property of light described in the ability to travel in a straight line? Rectilinear propagation. Then in all the three laws of water, ice, liquid, water, for the chemical composition of water, and they remain the same. Remain the same. Which of the following statement is true about the characteristics of particle in a gas? And option in about B, they are widely spread and are free to move. The products of nutrition reactions are salt and water. Then question mark what happens when acid react with a metal? So salt and hydrogen gas are formed. Which of the following substance dissolved in water types 2A? Sugar but salt. The candle flame goes out when covered by a class. Scientifically, the reason is absence of oxygen. The organelle response for energy production in the cells and the mitochondria and the powerhouse of the cell. Secondly, the part of the nucleus are sepakat pra in the absence of oxygen yeast cells convert ini alcohol and carbon dioxide. Ini alcohol and carbon dioxide. Then sepakat the primary function of large intestine is to absorb water and salt. Then is part which of the following is true for the primary mechanism of locomotion in animals today, and the muscular contraction and relaxation. Ini ke social science dengan sa ale ka next video mah.